Ayan guys, ito ang eggplant guys. Shredded ko siya. Tapos yung shredded na chicken breast. Mix it. Ito yung onion. Ay, chicken powder. Pinch of white pepper. Pinch of paprika powder. Ayan guys. Ayan, 1 piece of egg. Mix lang natin guys all the ingredients. Ilagay natin ng konting sugar guys para ma-sweet siya. Then mag-add tayo ng flour. 2 tablespoon flour. Ayan, then mix it. Ayan, mix natin siya guys. Leave natin 14 minutes tapos i-prito natin siya guys.